You see, in the same way in which our data type specification works, several web pages in present times utilize similar techniques. For example, you may have come across web pages in which you are signing up for a cloud service and are required to provide a password that meets certain criteria. However, instead of crashing or stopping, the web page simply refreshes or alerts you to make the necessary adjustments in the same instance. Notice that our program has failed to execute due to an error being encountered. By the user not providing input that is required and that meets criteria, the program will not continue to execute. As explained previously though, in the real world, programs cannot crash. Keeping the knowledge I have shared with you above in mind, as we progress further into the course, we will be introduced to more concepts, one of which will allow the program to not fail, but rather let or allow the user to have another try to enter the correct input and will ask for input until it is correctly provided.